If you're considering the EB-5 Immigrant Investor Program, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll discuss the 10 crucial things you need to know before you embark on your EB-5 journey. So, let's dive right in. The EB-5 program is a U.S. government program that allows foreign investors to receive a green card for all their family through investment in U.S. projects. The investment level is $800,000 for projects in TEA and $1,050,000 for the rest. Every investor who is looking into this route of making their American dream come true should be aware of the following. Number 1, EB-5 contain risks. The EB-5 program is structured in a way that provides an opportunity, and not a guarantee of getting a green card and repayment of the capital invested. Therefore, you should understand the risks involved before you start the process. You cannot remove risks from the EB-5 program, but you can certainly reduce them by choosing an EB-5 project and immigration attorney. To learn more about the risks involved, check our video by following the link above or in the description of this video. Number 2, EB-5 project documentation require time to review. Before investing in a special EB-5 project from a regional center, thoroughly vet the project you're considering by understanding its business plan, financials, job creation, and track record. Make sure you understand who will be managing your funds once they are invested. Project documentation can consist of around 100 pages of details, and it's highly recommended you check it carefully. Allocate time and resources to do so, and in the case that you are not confident with your level of English, be ready to translate all or part of the documentation. Number 3, source of funds. You must be able to show your source and path of funds to participate in the EB-5 program. For many investors, it's not easy to do this because USCIS requires a very deep analysis of your investment funds. You need to show how the initial funds were earned and document the path the funds followed after you earned them. It can very often take much longer than you expect. Number 4, additional expenses. Apart from the main investment amount, you will need to bear additional non-refundable expenses to the amount of $100,000 to $200,000, which will consist of RC admin fees, immigration lawyer fees, translation, gov fees, and so on. To understand the costs involved, check out our video, How Much Does It Cost to Do EB-5, following the link above or in the description of this video. Number 5, living in the U.S. The EB-5 program leads you to obtaining a green card, and a green card has some obligations connected to it. One of them is that after you have received your green card you are expected to live in the U.S. In the case that you remain outside the U.S. for too long, your green card status can be revoked. Number 6, taxes. Another important point to consider before you start your journey is to consider whether you are ready to become a tax resident in the U.S. Once you receive a green card, you automatically become a tax resident in the U.S. and have to declare your worldwide income in the U.S., and if necessary, pay additional taxes in the U.S. In the event that you have substantial assets, pre-immigration planning is a must. Number 7, students. If you plan to proceed with the EB-5 for your children and do not plan to live in the U.S., you may consider doing EB-5 only for your kids and not proceed with EB-5 for you. Number 8, children's aging out. In the case that any of your children are close to the age of 21 at the moment of application, there may be a situation where they will not be able to obtain a green card together with the rest of the family, even though that age is frozen for the period when your application is reviewed. So, please make sure you discuss this carefully with your immigration lawyer. Number 9, parents. The EB-5 program allows you to add to your application your spouse and unmarried children under the age of 21. In the event you would like to add your parents, you need to wait till the moment when you receive your citizenship, which can take from 7 to 10 years from the start of the EB-5 journey, or file a separate EB-5 for your parents with additional full investment to be made. Number 10, immigration process timeline. And last, but not least, you need to consider the immigration process timeline. The EB-5 process can take several years. Understanding the timeline will help you plan accordingly and manage your expectations throughout the journey. Check out our video on the process overview following the link above and the latest updates on processing time in the description of this video. And there you have it, 10 crucial things you need to know before starting your EB-5 journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more immigration and investment content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and the best of luck on your EB-5 journey.